What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Bostic here, coming at you with another technology tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at checking feedback and comments in Canvas. So we're in Canvas and we have some grades. There are multiple ways you can check your comments and do this. So we're going to look at a couple ways. You can go to grades. When you're in your grades, you can see your grades. You find the assignment that you want to see. If you look here, you see the little chat icon. You can normally click on that and it'll pull up your feedback. Now, that'll show you what comments were sent back from the instructor, but doesn't allow you to reply to it in that when you do it that way. So if you actually click on the name of the assignment, it'll take you to the assignment, just the same as going to the module and clicking on the name of the assignment. And here is where you can actually check your submission. So you'll see here it says you've submitted it. If you scroll at the bottom, whatever is inside of this darker gray area is showing you what you've submitted. So this is what I see, or this is what your instructor sees. So after you submit it, it's always good to come back here so that you can make sure that you've turned in something and not a blank document. All right. And then if you look up here in the top, it says view feedback. If you click on that view feedback button, you'll see that you can see the message from the teacher, but then also down here, you can submit a comment yourself and send something back. Thank you. Send comment. And that way on the teacher side, we see that in our grading interface that we use to grade. So that is how you check your feedback and comments. Have a good one.